Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another North Wales side-by-side video. I am absolutely 100% sure if you live in the UK, you were totally aware of what was going on St George's Day on Sunday, 23rd of April, where our British government tested the emergency alert system, where you were meant to get a sound played on your phone and a message. Well, it looks like it didn't quite go to plan. A lot of people, even though they hadn't turned the alerts off in their phone, they never got the message. So something went wrong. It would have been great, wouldn't it? There's 20 nukes coming into the country and they send the alert out and nobody gets the alert because the system didn't work. It suits the government. It was just a test. It was just a test. That's what they told us. But I've been doing a little bit of digging, just a little, to figure out who the government asked to put the infrastructure in place to do these test alerts. And the company they chose to do it was Fujitsu. Now, you might remember Fujitsu working with the British government before. Fujitsu did the system in our British post office that didn't work properly. There was numerous sub-postmasters who adopted the new Fujitsu system while it was rolled out across the entire post office. And then they were accused and taken to court, and some of them jailed, for robbing the post office. Now, they never did anything of the sort. Not one of them, not a single one of them sub-postmasters ever robbed the post office. It was the Fujitsu computer system that was faulty. It couldn't add up, it couldn't take away, it couldn't do sums. It was crap. But the government ran with it, and it took a long time to get these people's names cleared. Anyhow, back to the security alert. The government gave the contract to Fujitsu for the emergency alert system. Then Fujitsu subcontracted it out to another company. And the company they subcontracted it out to was Infosys. And they are a giant Indian company. Well, that's where they were founded. The gentleman who owns the company has now handed the company over to his two heirs, his children. So he's a multi-billionaire, and now the company's been passed on to his children. So they've now inherited a business that makes a lot of money, that has lots of contracts. But one of the children just happens to be married to, and you're going to like this one, Rishi Sunak, Prime Minister of Great Britain. Wouldn't you believe they've kept it in-house? The wife's company, the British Prime Minister, the British Security Alert System. Absolutely amazing. I didn't see that one coming until I started digging. And I thought, that is just typical of our government. Keep it in-house. Absolutely amazing. Just let the wife run it. She can do it. She knows what she's doing. Absolutely awesome. Anyhow, thanks for watching another one of the drivey type videos. And I hope you enjoyed that little bit of information. Please consider clicking like, and please, it costs you nothing, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very, very much. All I've got to do now is turn around in the car park.